Hello and welcome to this video. I'll be demonstrating how to add an HP5 interactive video the module LMS that is created by Gnomio. So since I'm already logged into my Gnomio site, I click on this, my courses. I go to this particular course that I want to add the content. Remember, to be able to add an HP5 activity, you'll first need to create that activity under the content bank. So you need to go to this part of the content bank under the course. Click on the content bank. That is where you are given now an option to add. There are various types of HP5 interactive content, including quizzes, accordion. But for my case, for this particular video, I wanted to look at the interactive video. You can even have the interactive books, but let's first look at the interactive video. So you click on it, and once you click on it, it will give you an option to add. Now you need to add the video either by uploading it or including a link either from YouTube where it is located. First of all, you need to add a title for this. I call it the current neural networks, and click on add video. Here you have two options. You can upload it from your device or paste a link from YouTube. I'll get to this link from this YouTube video and paste it there. Then I click on insert. Yeah. Once you have inserted the video, the next step is to add interactions. So that video will be loaded, and now you can go to the particular time that you want that interaction to appear. Remember, once it has been loaded, the options here up here. Here you can include the text, image, statements, a single choice. That is where you pick one answer. You can have multiple choice where you click several answers. True false questions. Yeah, there are many interactions that you can add to this video. So you navigate to the part where you want to add an interaction. Let's say mine, I want to put the first interaction, and after this first video, oh, that not the first video, but the first slide. Yeah. So as the first slide is coming to an end, I want the interaction to appear at that point, and I add a question there which the learner or the one accessing the video or the interaction should be able to respond to. So let's say at that point I want to add a true false question, and on that we usually have the displays usually either a button or a poster, and you are told that a button is a collapsed interaction. The user must press to open, while a poster is an expanded interaction displayed directly on top of the video. So most of the time I opt for a poster because it will appear on top of the video, and I can put the title as recurrent neural network and add my question. My question will be based on what we have covered on the first slide, and I can put a question like this. A question like this. I say that recurrent neural networks Recurrent, let's just type the question. Neural networks recurrent neural networks convert a sequential data input into a specific sequential data output into a specific sequential data output. So it is a statement that the student need to determine whether it's true or false. So the correct answer you are told to pick either is it true or false, and this one is true. The other settings, yeah, you can do some changes or just leave it there. Like if you want to override some default. But what is important, very important on this is adaptivity. Adaptivity, you need to click on this, require full score for the task to proceed. Okay. And you should also enable show solution and enable retry. Yeah, those ones should be enabled so that the student can retry when he or she doesn't get the correct answer. So once you have added that and it says true, just it's true false, just click on done. This is done. Click done, and this now will be that the question has been added. You need to resize it well so that it is able to fit on the screen and the learner can be able to see it when it pop-ups. So it is asking or the current network is the current neural networks convert a sequential data input into a specific so data output. So he or she will either pick true or false and click on check. So that is the first interaction. I can add another interaction and another slide. This time I want to add to show you how to add like a multiple choice. There you have to pick many choices, for instance, and after this, you can see the types of neural. Currently, we have the current neural networks. You have one to many, many to many, many to one. So after that, you can, after studying or after this slide, you can add something about it, about the question. So let's, for instance, we pick, we want to add it here. And on top here, I pick on multiple choice question and I'll still choose poster. Poster, I can just slide the types of current neural networks. Types of current neural networks. The question can be like I can just write types of recurrent neural networks. Types of recurrent neural networks. Like pick the types of recurrent, select the types of, pick the types of recurrent neural networks. Let's say the first answer is one to many. And this is the correct answer. One to many. I can just 0 to many. 0 to many. I know that one is the wrong answer, so it's not correct. We can add another option and we say that many to many. Many to many is correct. Just pick one correct. Another one like another option. What? Many to many. Another many to one. Many to many to many. Many to one. Many to one. Yeah. And this one is also correct. Many to many and the many to one is also correct. Okay. So in that, once you have done that, you have picked the types of recurrent neural networks. We need also to look at the adaptivity. You see that you require full scope for the task to proceed. So action on the wrong, if it's wrong, by default it will be, yes, it will be an option to retry. Enable retry because this button is enabled. And enable solution. If I disable this, you will not be able to show solution, but it's good to show the solution for the student to be able to retry. So once you are done with that, just click on done. Okay. And this interactivity over here, you can decide it accordingly, the way it will appear when time comes. And the real scenario. So that is the interaction, the poster. This should appear on top of the video, or pop up on top of the video, and now the student can be able to pick the answers. Remember, here is a multiple and pick many. So that is it. Once you are done now, you click on save. Remember these behavioral settings, you can check on them. Writing texts. If you don't want the default for the true false questions, but those ones you can leave them the way they are, default. The default values. Click on save. So in that way now you have already created what? You have created the HP5 interactive video. The next thing now is to add it on the where you want it to appear. Remember, for me under the course, come on this section. I want to edit the course. I'll enable this button, the edit mode. Remember the edit mode, I go to topic. Yeah, topic 6. Under the recurrent neural networks, I want to add an activity or resource. And this time is an HP5 activity. The name is recurrent networks. That's a video on the recurrent neural networks. Here, the package file will be asked for it. Now I will go on the content bank. It find what? Find this recurrent neural network that we have created. So we click on it and select this file. So it's added, the interactivity is added there. Options. Now I can just click on embed. Attempt options. Enable tracing stimulate. So the attempt, yes. Stick tag says complete condition. Student must manually mark activity as done. Yeah. So once you have added activity, we can also add the description, but it's not mandatory. And now we can save and display to see how it will look. So you see, you look at it under the topic 6 recurrent neural networks. You have this now, recurrent neural networks video. You click on it, it will be loaded, and now the learner is watching the video. Click on it to watch.
They will be looking at the recurrent neural networks. That is the video that's RNA. I remember what.
So when he or she watches the video, you just watch the video and guess that point of interaction, or where the interactive element is located, it should pop up. You see? So you'll have to answer, he or she will have to answer either true or false. This, for instance, is if the student or the learner picks false and say check. You see, you go to 0 or 1, and this one you can be able to see the solution, so you can retry. Given an option to retry, and click on true, it should give you now the option to continue because it's correct. Continue watching until it gets to this point. I just want to see our interactive element popping up as a poster. And here it is. Yeah, pick the types of recurrent neural networks. Let's say the student picks on this and on that, and click on check. You see, it gives him or her the option to retry and also show solution. Yeah, 0 out of 3. When I got 1, and the solution will show you the correct answers you're supposed to try, and only after trying correctly that you can go on the continue. So that is the process of adding interactions. You can add many types of interaction to this video. I just as you saw, there are very many options, and that is it. Now to add an interactive video, look out for the next videos where I'll be showing how to add more interactive content, like for instance interactive books. Thank you.